Welcome to my honest review of Tastytrade. If you're someone new to online trading and searching for the best platform to start with, this video is for you. Tastytrade is an innovative broker with low commissions and powerful tools, especially known for options trading. It's popular for its simplicity, but does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what sets Tastytrade apart. With no account minimums, low trading fees, and a wide selection of trading instruments, it's an excellent choice for both new and seasoned traders. The user interface is modern and easy to use, making it perfect for anyone looking to get started quickly. Their research tools, educational content, and trading ideas are well designed, making trading less intimidating for newcomers. One major advantage of Tastytrade is its focus on options trading. The platform has intuitive features specifically for options strategies that other brokers simply don't offer. However, it's not without its downsides. Compared to some brokers, Tastytrade's customer service can feel a bit slow, and its mobile app, while functional, could be more refined for on-the-go traders. On the pricing side, Tastytrade is incredibly competitive. You'll appreciate their no-commission fees for stocks and ETFs, and flat-rate pricing for options trades. Compared to many high-fee brokers, this is a major selling point, especially if you're someone looking to avoid high costs as you learn the ropes. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. While Tastytrade is a fantastic platform for self-directed traders, it's best suited for those who enjoy diving into the details of options trading or active stock trading. It's not ideal for passive investors or those seeking advanced portfolio management tools, which may make some investors lean toward alternatives. But overall, if you're looking for a solid broker to start your trading journey or to dive deeper into options, Tastytrade delivers. If you're ready to copy the trades of the best, use the link in the description to start replicating the strategies of millionaire traders. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and leave any questions you have in the comments.